Welcome to week 33, 34, 35, and 36 of dollar cost averaging $10,000 in the bear market. Let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you what I ended up buying for these weeks. Let's go. Now we are inside of the spreadsheet. As you can see, we started out with $10,000 at the beginning of the year. Our weekly budget is around $192. And as you can see, so far, we have been buying every single week. These are the projects that we have accumulated so far. We have Somatic, Pendle, Cardano, Hello, Flashstake, Polkadot, Silo Finance, Cadena, and Cadex. And this is the breakdown by every single week at what prices I bought and how much money I spent. And now we are on week 33 to 36. And for these 4 weeks, I ended up purchasing Hello at 5 cents. I spent a total of $800 on this project. And with $800, I was able to receive 13,965.2 tokens. This brings my total position of Hello to 33,387 tokens. And now we are going to have the $3,630.77 that we had left previously, and we are going to subtract $800 that we spent on the Hello token today. So our remaining budget is $2,830.77. As you can see, the $10,000 that we started the year off with is almost completely gone, but we have accumulated some awesome projects over the last year or so. We only have a couple of more months left in 2023, but personally, I will still continue to accumulate until the bull run returns, and I will continue to buy even more crypto. And when we go over to CoinMarketCap, you will see that Hello Labs is up just over 4% on the day. On the 7-day chart, it is up almost 13%. The 1-month chart, it is up over 17%. And when we take a look at the all-time chart, you will see that it is looking very bullish. And with the market cap of only 36 million, I believe Hello has a ton of potential. And the team behind this project continues to develop and expand. And hopefully when the bull run returns, we are going to see some massive pumps in Hello. And hopefully we are going to make a ton of money in the process. So there you go, a quick little update on the $10,000 DCA challenge. Even though I'm not making a ton of videos on this channel, I'm still in crypto. I'm definitely buying every single week, investing, looking at different projects, and getting ready for the bull run. Whenever that happens, maybe next year in 2024, maybe in 2025, but I will continue to be in the crypto space until those good times return. That is all for today. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.